Hi dear children, good morning. Welcome to our social science class. In the last class we have discussed about Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King. So today let us learn about Saint Teresa and Sarojini Naidu. Saint Teresa, born in Yugoslavia in 1910, Angels Gongse Bojaxiu joined the Order of the Sisters of Our Lady of Loreto at the age of 18. Saint Teresa, born in Yugoslavia. She entered the convent at the age of 18. Understand? She came to India in 1929 and was renamed Teresa. She came to India in 1929 and was renamed Teresa. She taught in Kolkata for several years. One day, while traveling, the young Teresa was inspired by God asking her to work among the poor and needy. In 1950, Teresa, who was now called Mother Teresa. Okay, listen. In 1950, Teresa, who was now called Mother Teresa, she set up a new order called the Missionaries of Charity. Okay, listen. Saint Teresa founded the Missionaries of Charity. Understand? Mother Teresa believed that by serving the poor and needy, she was serving God. Okay, please look at the picture. Mother Teresa believed that by serving the poor and needy people, okay, she was serving God. Understand? The missionaries of charity have dedicated their lives in serving the poor and needy. Okay? This order has spread its activities all over India and even in many countries abroad. Orphanages, hospitals, old age homes, shelters for lepers, food for the needy are some of the activities carried out by these sisters. Okay, listen. Orphanages, hospitals, okay, old age homes, shelters for lepers. That means a person suffering from leprosy, a serious skin disease which destroys nerves. Let's look. Mother Teresa, lepers having lunch in Shanti Understand? In 1979, Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize for her work. In 1979, Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize for what? Her work. She also received several awards such as the Magsaysay Prize, the Bharat Ratna and the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding. Please note that she also received several awards such as the Magsaysay Prize, the Bharat Ratna and the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding. She passed away in 1997. She died in 1997, 5th September. Okay. She was canonized in September 2016 and is now known as Saint Teresa. That means an act by which the Catholic Church declares that a person who has died was a saint. Okay. When was Mother Teresa declared a saint? In September 2016. Okay. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, born in 1879 at Hyderabad, was one of the most prominent women to take an active part in the freedom struggle. By the time she joined the movement, the freedom struggle was already taking a definite shape. She was arrested and imprisoned several times for her political activities. Okay, listen. Her very political speeches made Sarojini Naidu a very prominent figure in Indian politics. In 1925, she became the leader of the Indian National Congress, the first Indian woman to do so. Okay. In 1925, she became the leader of the Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu lived to see India gain freedom. Thus, Sarojini Naidu was the first governor of a state, Uttar Pradesh, in India. Understand? Who is the present governor of Kerala? Can you say? Who? Arif Mohammad Khan. Okay. Sarojini Naidu has often been referred to as the Nightingale of India. Please note that Sarojini Naidu has often been referred to as the Nightingale of India. Why? Because of her contribution to poetry. Her most famous works are Golden Threshold, Bird of Time, and Broken Wing. Okay. She died in 1949. Dear children, the main points to remember: some great people. Mahatma Gandhi, he was born on 2nd October 1869. He studied law in England, later practiced in South Africa. He fought for equal rights of Indians and blacks in South Africa. Then India's freedom struggle through Satyagraha and Ahimsa, he called father of the nation. Next, Martin Luther King, born on 15 January 1929 in the USA. He influenced by Gandhi's views on non-violence. He fought for equal rights for black people. He won Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Next, Saint Teresa. She was born in 1910, Yugoslavia. She came to India in 1929 as a nun. She set up missionaries of charity. She received Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She canonized as a saint in 2016. Then Sarojini Naidu. She was born in 1879, Hyderabad. She took active part in India's freedom struggle. She became first woman leader of INC in 1925. She called Nightingale of India. Okay.